हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में स्टडी करते हैं द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एटम, एलिमेंट, मॉलिक्यूल एंड कंपाउंड। वी ऑल नो द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ मैटर इज नोन एज एटम, लाइक ग्लूकोज C6H12O6 मेड अप ऑफ 3 डिफरेंट एटम्स, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन। वाटर H2O मेड अप ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट एटम्स, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन। Simply we can say everything in the universe is made up of atom. Now here a question arises: when everything is made up of atom, why things are different? And the answer is almost 118 elements present in the universe, and different combination of atoms form different substances. On the basis of combination, atom may combine as homoatomic or heteroatomic. Homo means same, so in homoatomic combination same type of atoms combine, like in H2 two atoms of hydrogen chemically combine, in O2 two atoms of oxygen chemically combine, in N2 two atoms of nitrogen chemically combine. Hetero means different, so in heteroatomic combination different type of atoms combine, like in H2O two different atoms hydrogen and oxygen chemically combine, in CO2 two different atoms carbon and oxygen are chemically combined. Now look at a important point: same or different combination of atoms form a molecule. So homoatomic combination of atoms form a molecule, and heteroatomic combination of atoms also form a molecule. In homoatomic combination, molecule divided as monoatomic and diatomic. Mono mean one, so monoatomic molecule made up of only one atom, like noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton. Di mean two, so diatomic molecule made up of two atoms, like H2O2 N2. Element क्या होता है? Element is a pure substance made up of only one type of atoms. So we can say when many monoatomic molecule combine, they form a element. When many monoatomic molecules of neon combine, they form a neon element. When many monoatomic molecule of argon combine, they form a argon element. But many atoms of metals like iron, gold, zinc combine, they form a element, not a molecule, because metals don't exist free in nature, but noble gases exist free in nature and also known as monoatomic molecule. Next, when many diatomic molecule like H2 combine, they form a H2 element. When many diatomic molecule like O2 combine, they form a O2 element. Simply we can say homoatomic combination of atoms form a element. Next, many heteroatomic molecule combine to form a compound, like a glass of water contain many molecules of H2O, and H2O is a heteroatomic molecule. आज के लेक्चर को इस स्लाइड में समराइज करते हैं। हाइड्रोजन H2, many H2, H2O and a glass of water. Hydrogen is a atom. H2 is homoatomic molecule or diatomic molecule. Many H2 is a element. When many diatomic molecule like H2 combine, they form a element. H2O is a heteroatomic molecule because this is made up of two different atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. A glass of water is a compound because it has many molecule of H2O, and H2O is a heteroatomic molecule. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your questions in the comment section.